All right, amazing people. We've got some more examples to work through here. So the first one is x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 4. Now, when working through problems like this, just work through it in steps. So the first step I want to work through is just focus on the first two terms here. I'm not going to worry about dividing by x to the power of 4 yet. So when I've got this here, this is going to be x to the power of 2 plus 3 divided by 4. So I'm just going to focus on that first step, which gives me x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 4. Oops, let's fix that back up. Okay, so now from here, what I want to do is I want to now focus on this division part. And as I do this, I'm going to have x to the power of 5 minus 4 as part of this. And so when I work this aspect of it out, it's going to give me x to the power of 1, which I can just leave as just a simple x. I don't need to put that power of 1 here. And that's going to be the answer. In the second example here, it's got lots of different components to it. And again, I'm just going to deal with this one aspect at a time. The first aspect is I just want to deal with the top of it first and just deal with that. So I'm not going to worry about the lower part of this fraction at the moment. So dealing with the upper part, I've got 2 a to the power of 3b times 8 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 3. So as I do this, one aspect at a time. So I'm going to deal with the numbers first. So 2 times 8, that's going to give me 16. Then I've got the letters to deal with. So I'm going to deal with the a. So I've got a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 2. Because it's times, I need to add the powers together. So this is going to give me a to the power of 5. As I continue with this then, I've got the b part to deal with. And I've got b, which doesn't have a power listed. But remember, it doesn't have a power listed like that. It's got a power of 1. And so I can add that in there. So it's b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 3. So this is going to be 1 plus 3. That's 4. So it's going to be b to the power of 4. And then I'm just going to put that all over what we've already got in the bottom here, which is 4a to the power of 4, b squared. So from here, now what I want to do is I want to focus on just these two components together. So again, break it into parts. I'm going to deal with just the numbers first. So that's going to be 16 over 4. I'm going to break it into its parts, times a to the power of 5 over a to the power of 4 times b to the power of 4 over b to the power of 2. So as I work through this component of it, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So I can work that part out. Then I'm going to have the a's to deal with. Now this is a to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 4. Because it's a division, I need to subtract the powers. So 5 minus 4, that's going to be a to the power of 1, which I can just leave as an a. And then I've got the next part, which is b, which is b to the power of 4 divided by b to the power of 2. So I'm subtracting the powers again. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. That means it's going to be b to the power of 2. And that's going to be the answer.